Man, I hate cold weather, but I tell you what, look at that. I love these cooler fall months. Man, these plants got peppers all over them. Look at, holy cow. Hold on, let me see. Just look at that. Peppers, peppers. Well, I'm Peter Pipered out over here, man. Peppers. Oh, this is just one bed. Y'all stay tuned. Huge peppers, too, man. And then, uh-oh, my bad. Got my tomatoes right. But just look at that, man. We got peppers everywhere. These are different, these right here are Chinese giant. Oh, yeah. And then these are red Marsonis. I got these are cayennes. Where's the big one I seen? There he is. Cayennes. And all of these are Corno di Toro Rosso. Beautiful pepper patch, man. I couldn't be happier.